felt so far away. Last night was one big holiday. Cool winds on me out by the shade. Put my weekend on layaway.
คู่กันนี้มาคู่กันนี้ルカリを失礼いたします。こちらがホットキャラメルラテのピカチュウです。こちらお預かりしますね。こちらです。はい、おめでとうございます。じゃあ2回目セカンドです。はい、ありがとうございます。ドライ丼が当たりました。じゃあ3回目ですね。
Up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course. Keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering, and maybe we could take it to a just again in space, 'cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly get closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Maybe it's time to get home. Think that it's going a little too far, even after all the white noise. Oh, I still wanted to restart. Give while you're taking my time. Feels like I'm patiently waiting in line. So can we ever have another moment? Can you just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we can take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that. Still, you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get in space, 'cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. 'Cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. Oh, I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Rather take it all back.
'There's stuff that's not for the faint-hearted. Are you down? Climb on board if the mind's a bit late to yours now. Get filled with tears up like it was just a slice of cake. Someday you need to get it on the handshake. So attached to you, you are not. You're caught in a moment. All of a sudden, be my guest. I will shoot it as it's first of the habit. Take it or live it. Once in a lifetime, fuck off the bar and follow your own way. They ain't always right. Just try to keep your tiger in cage. Once in a lifetime. Once in a lifetime. Once in a lifetime. Fuck off the part and follow your own. Shared house with someone I don't even know, but I like it. Thank God my faith's been fully restored, now united. No turning back, it's never too late to start over. For so long I was so damn really scared to grow older. Now will not be forever. Yeah, don't be full of nothing. So disappointing. Be my guest. I wish you the best. It's first of the habit. Take it or live